Welcome everyone to my new price prediction video presentation on THORChain RUNE cryptocurrency, which is up by 15% for the past 24 hours. Looking forward to discovering more information for our upcoming month, December. As things are looking quite fine, I'd like to share with you the technical side. Today, the crypto market is up by 2% on the entire global, and this is just great news, considering the fact that we have been finding support and pumping from there aggressively, just like I said in my other videos as well. When you are touching the round number Fibonacci and you retrace back to 1.618 between 1.414, the 1.618 is the blue line, the other one is the red line right there. So you retrace back into that zone, you find support and gain liquidity, prepare yourself for a continuation, and if you react basically positively from there and not continue downwards, such as in the next sort of away category, which is the 1.414 and the 1.272, the green line right below. If you fall lower with a step, things are going to look different, because then the bigger chances are for you to form a lower high to the previous one, of course, and then the downtrend could start. But when you don't do this, just like we didn't, we have been confirming on the upper step, right? So we did not confirm in that zone, we confirmed in that zone right above. Now, this is usually connected with the market continuation phase. And that means we are supposed to break out from the previous top situated at $6.7 for THORChain. The moment we are trading right now, Bitcoin is having a heavy fight with the top at 38,500s, 400s, 350s. So it's sitting right there. It's just 1% away from breaking the top, and it's having a zigzag movement of liquidity. The very, very important thing is that we are not supposed to lose basically the ability to continue holding for at least at the same level on the BTC, but at the same time, a breakout would help us a lot. A breakout in Bitcoin from right there is going to trigger a movement for THORChain as soon as the breakout will not get denied and we have a fake out action on the BTC. Will trigger the ability for THORChain to push basically to 2.618, which is $8.5 on the mark. Obviously, it needs days, it might need a week or so, but the idea is that you need Bitcoin basically holding right now, because if you got this guy crashing, then the altcoin markets will simply follow. So this is the moment we're actually trading right now in the markets. Heavy attention on the BTC, and I would say much more attention on Bitcoin than what's happening in the alts, because BTC right now will trigger the movements for the altcoins. It's not really a separated chain movement. It is basically right now very, very correlated, especially with the bearishness. Beautiful. So that's pretty much all on that side of the topic. We also have a great sign for the volume weighted average price, the green cloud right there with the upper line. The blue is the median line, and then on the lower side of the charts you have the lower line of the cloud. This has also started to move upwards, which is something that it does very difficultly. Like, it really needs the market to be under heavy pressure to go in that direction. Otherwise, things are not going to go upwards at all. And this is just a great sign, because any pullback that will be major is going to be heavily purchased. So that's something that we all want. Basically, at the end of the day, we have resources prepared for the market to pull back, to find itself in difficult situations and go along with that. Now, this is basically at the moment we're dealing with, and the way everything goes around. THORChain is definitely having a great target on $8.5. It is not yet prepared to go into the double digits area. There's still a lot to fight for that. BTC might have to reach somewhere around $44,000 in order to talk about double digits for RUNE. But as soon as Bitcoin follows a path towards that direction, we're going to introduce basically the double digits discussion. When it comes down to the bull market, well, the expectations should be, nowhere near to be around this levels or 10, 15, 20 bucks. The expectations should be set much, much bigger and much higher than $50. So This is what we're actually considering at the moment in the way the markets have behaved. At the same time, we cannot forget about number 3 Fibonacci, which will be a great target. Not an easy path, not an easy moment. It all depends how BTC will move. Because right now, if we are having difficulties on the BTC side by having a decrease or a selling pressure triggered, Rune is not going to survive itself as an alone standard at all. That's pretty much all, guys. For those of you that are interested in one-on-one coaching program and believe education is important, we have the program right here. Make sure to check out the video, find out more on my page. This is a done-for-you coaching program where I'm taking you by hand and teaching you basically how to trade from beginner, intermediate, or advanced case scenario. We are having this process. Make sure to check that out as well, including the done-for-you trading if you want to be part of my trades. No prior fee, only commission from profits achieved, no upfront fees, nothing like that. Very simple, the trading is outsourced. We're having ChatGPT bot as well participating and helping us, and the whole process is running very smooth to trading permission on API. As well, you can schedule up a free conversation with me on Calendly. All the links and resources can be found in the description area of this video in the comments area as well. Have a good time, folks. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you soon.